It's cutting out the pan tilt parts. So that right there is the base for the pan unit. It's cutting out a pilot hole. And these are little windows that I've made so that you could see the gears, just because it looks cool. The first pass I did, you can see it's already been cut out kind of, and that's to bevel everything. So I used a 90-degree bit, which is right there. 45-degree angle or 90-degree in total. I don't know what you're supposed to call it. It's a 45-degree angle, but it's also a 90-degree bit. So I used that and made the bevels. So I just did the outlines of everything. You can see there's a part in the middle there. Look at that. That bit is so small it leaves stuff. The first bit I did, it just could barely do these holes. They were so small. Anyway, that's how it's working. I have it going 6 passes deep, so it'll do it. So watch, it's going around that top silver circle there. It just turned, so that just went down 1 depth. So now it's on the 2nd, now it's on the 3rd, and then here to go on the 4th. There's 4 deep now, and again it just has to do 6, so there's only 2 more. And then that little piece should break free and hopefully get kicked out of the way or not move. And here's the final pass. And there we go. Good. Didn't get kicked out. I'm always afraid it'll break the bit. I'm sure you're not supposed to do it that way, but I do. So right now it's drilling the hole to mount this to the lower plate that mounts directly to the pan gear. And here it's cutting out the center window to see the pan gear. And all of this is happening right now here. So I have access to this in 3D, so you can see all the layers there. And so there it is. It's showing that it's going around. And then when it's done, it turns that line green, so you know it's done it. And then here is called the G code. This is all the coordinates telling it where to go. This is in millimeters. So right now it's doing the circle. So it's just reading, do this arc, do this arc, do this arc, yada 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 yada. You can see the line numbers. Line 2966. I've had programs that are over 100,000 lines. It's incredible. And it's all being run through USB through this little control box here. You can see the 3 drivers on the bottom. It says 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's written backwards. I don't know. Either way, X, Y, Z. And then there's the USB controller. CNC USB controller. Got it from a guy, I think, in Slovenia. It's awesome though. The blinking light says the computer's talking to it. The other light, the red light, is just because I have the shift key on. So I turn that off. This is a little panel I made really quickly. The first test without the proper bit. So I just shift, not shift. So shift, not shift, shift, not shift. Anyway, what this allows me to do is jog it left, right, up, down, and then also vertically up and down. So I should say left, right, forward, backward. Anyway, that's that. So my old computer I haven't used forever, being in use. My old amplifier I haven't used forever, being used for audio. There's speakers that I haven't used forever underneath the desk here. Old keyboard haven't used forever, being used. And now this fantastic CNC machine in this room, which is the dungeon, which is never used. So a whole bunch of good things coming. There's the ground unit coming any day now. Once I get Lamacoid, this will be built. This is what it looks like right now when you open it. Hopefully it's going to look a little bit different in a little bit of time. So yeah, I'm supposed to be watching this to make sure it's not screwing up. So I'm going to go back to doing that and stop talking. Just for fun, the LED lighting that I have in here, bought it for another project a long time ago, used it, worked well, had some left over, so I can do this. Isn't that exciting? Look how busy this is. It's blinking really fast. I don't think the camera can pick that up. And then there it is doing something. Oh, slow flashes. That's very useful. And then on. And then of course I've got different brightness settings, or I can control it. Whoa. Pretty cool. Do this. See if I can speed that up or slow it down. Very neat.